In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix high ping and lag in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now there's two very easy methods, so I'll be walking you through both of them. First one is going over to your options, then going over all the way to the right where it says settings, then go over to graphics and make sure that eco mode preset is turned off. You don't want it on efficiency and you definitely don't want it on low consumption because that's definitely going to introduce some lag. Now the next thing you want to go ahead and do is go to your PlayStation menu. So I'm going to click home right here. Then on the top right, I'm going to see the settings wheel. So go ahead and click on that. Then go to network. And then you basically just want to make sure that you're on a wired LAN setting if possible. That basically means you're using an Ethernet, which is a direct connection like I'm using right now, because then you're going to have the most stable connection. If you don't have that, I'd recommend investing in a power line adapter, which is the closest thing you're going to get to a hard Ethernet connection, and it's better than a wireless connection. Then test your internet connection, see if it all works, and then you'll be good to go. You should have a lot less stutters on Black Ops 7, and yeah, that'll be fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other Black Ops 7 videos on the channel.